Space Ranger Warp Darkmatter sacrificed himself for the success of his mission, for the safety of his fellows. I miss him very much. Buzz Lightyear personal log. In his crazed attempt to destroy me, Zurg has robbed the universe of a good man, my partner, my friend. On this day I vow, no Ranger will ever again fall in harm's way because of me. I work alone.
Report to training deck.
Yeah. Way ahead of you. Cadet Florin, watch your tail, son!
Calm down, Rod. Just do what Fish is doing.
You people try that kind of hot dogging in the field, and you're space dust!
Commander Nebula.
Ah, Lightyear. I got something I want you to see. All right, we're cranking it up to level 9, people.
Bring it on.
Level 9? Commander, they're only rookies. Come on, I train on level 9.
I know.
Time out! North!
Level 10.
Okay.
Oh, well, I guess we couldn't expect a rookie to...
It ain't over.
How did she do that?
She's from the planet Tangia.
Of course, Tenjian ghosting powers. Excellent.
Yeah, let's see one of Zurg's robots walk through a wall.
Ranger Mira Nova reporting for duty, sirs.
Mira Nova? Strange coincidence. Isn't that also the name of the heir to the Tenjian throne? I met her once.
You saved my planet once.
Buzz, meet your new partner.
Partner?
Sir, what you did for my people, well, it inspired me to join.
No.
No?
No what?
No partner. Too risky.
Oh, look, son, I know you're still torn up about Warp, but next time you're out there...
And Zurg aims for me? What's to keep the princess from ending up like Warp?
Yeah, well, maybe it's the princess keeping you from ending up like Warp.
Okay, hello? The princess has a name.
Yeah, I'm sorry, Prince... Mira, I work alone.
So you're gonna stop Zurg all by yourself.
That's the general plan.
But regulations clearly state that...
I know regulations. I wrote half of them. But as long as Zurg is gunning for me, anybody close to me is going to get caught in the crossfire.
Noted. But Buzz, there's one thing you should know.
Yes, sir?
You are not going out there without backup!
I'm sorry, Commander, but from now on, Buzz Lightyear flies solo.